Okay, third graders, we are on Go Math 11.3, page 463, learning about perimeter. Let's see here. Let's jump right into number... okay. I thought that was number 2. Okay, let's jump right in here. Let's see here. We know that this entire, all the way around, is 25. The problem is we do not know what this one is. Okay, so we know the whole thing is 25. We do know 3 of the sides, but we don't know this 4th side here. So we have 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus n. N stands for, n is a variable. And n is basically, it's an unknown. It's a variable. Variable is an unknown. Okay, now we're going to add up what we do know. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 3 is 18. 18 plus the variable n, which is an unknown, equals 25. If you know that the inverse of addition is subtraction, what you can do is 25 minus what we do know is then going to tell you the unknown. So 25 minus 18 is, let's see, 18 plus 2 takes me to 20. 20 plus 5 is 25, so the difference is 7. 18 plus 2 to get to 20, and then plus 5 to get to 25. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, so we know that n is 7. So that's the way we can figure out the unknown. Write down or add up or figure out what you do know. Subtract it from the total, and you can figure it out. Let's go ahead and jump in, and maybe a few more problems will help you out. So we know the whole thing is 34. And let's see, what do we do know? We don't know what these two are, but we do know what this is. Remember, the perimeter is all the way around, so we need to figure out this and this. But we do know these two sides. So 7 plus 7 is 14. I'm actually going to subtract the total. I'm going to subtract 14 from the total. I get 20. So between this and this, it needs to be 20 meters. Now, both of these look to be the same size. So if this and this is the same size, and it has to equal 20 meters, then I think this would be 10, and then this would be 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20. So J equals 10 meters. Number 3, the whole thing is 12. Now, what I do know about a square is all of the sides of a square are the same. So we have 12 feet shared among 4 sides. 12 feet shared among 4 sides. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that's one way you can think about it. You could make 4 sides like this and then pass out the feet and just keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you know one of the sides is 4. You could kind of slowly practice it. You could go 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, that's not enough. What if they were all 3? So you could do like a trial and error method, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, and figure it out that way too. So those are a couple different options. Find the unknown side lengths. The whole thing is 32. So we need to add up what we do know and subtract it from the total. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. So we're going to take 32, which is the total, and subtract it from the total of our known. Oh, I forgot the 8. Oh, no, I got it. I got it right there. Okay. 32 minus 27 is 5. So K is going to be 5. It's going to be the remaining number that we need to get to 32. Okay, let's see here. Perimeter, the whole thing is 42. How many sides is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 sides, so 42 shared among 6 sides is 7. Not only I know that also because the inverse of division is multiplication, and 7 times 6 is 42. So if you know your multiplication tables, that also helps you know your division facts. So each side is going to be 6 feet. All right, let's see. Use a diagram. Looking at the last question here. Eleni wants to put up a fence around her square garden. Okay, that's crucial. We know it's a square, so all of these sides are going to be the same. The garden has a perimeter of 28, so the whole thing is 28. How long will each fence be? So 28 shared among 4 sides is 7. And I also know that because 7 times 4 is 28. I know my multiplication facts. Explain 28 meters divided by 4 sides is 7 meters. Okay? You could probably put, I know the side of each fence because, yeah, I should probably do that. Okay, so I know the side of each fence because I know the side of each fence because 28 meters divided by 4 sides is 7 meters. Okay, hopefully that helps you with 11.3 Go Math, page 463.